All right, we are doing the standard algorithm 83 times 4. So remember the 8 and the 3 are two digits of the same number. So they are not going to multiply against one another. They're on the same team. The 4 is a different number. It's on a different row. So the 4 came to multiply against these guys. So we're going to do 4 times 3 and then 4 times 8. We go right to left, opposite of reading. So first, we'll go ahead and get started. I want you to do the first step on your own and then pause this video and then check it. All right, so the first step, hopefully you tried it by yourself, but the first step is 4 times 3. That is 12. Can't fit the whole thing down here, so you're going to carry the 1 and put the 2 down here. 12. What are you going to do next? Go ahead and try the next step on your own. The next step is 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is 32. What are you going to do with this 1 here? You're going to add it in for 33, and the whole 33 can go down there because there's nowhere left to carry.